friends, welcome to 59th episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make a very famous dish and that is Palak Paneer. This dish everyone loves it of any age group. So come on guys, let's start making Palak Paneer. To make Palak Paneer, first I'll blanch the spinach. I've kept the water to boil and now I'll add all my spinach into it. While boiling, I'll not cover it, otherwise the spinach will lose its greenish texture, which is very much important in this dish. It will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes for the spinach to get blanched. I'll just toss it up so that it gets evenly blanched from all the sides. Now the spinach is done. I'll remove it, I'll let it cool, I'll drain the water and then I'll blend it into a blender. I'll just let it cool for some time and then I'll blend it. Meanwhile, I'll start to prepare the gravy for spinach. To make the masala, I'll use a bowl full of onions. I'll chop it very fine. 3 tomatoes I'll use. I'll again chop this very fine. The blanched spinach. A tablespoon of fenugreek leaves, dry fenugreek leaves. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. A teaspoon of again grated ginger. A teaspoon of garlic paste. 1 small teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 green chilies, 3 to 4 cloves and 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, small pieces of cinnamon sticks. 200 grams of paneer, salt to taste and 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Now I've started to heat up the saucepan. I'll add oil to it once it's heated. The oil is heated, add the cloves and cinnamon stick to it, the garlic paste, the grated ginger and saute for 30 seconds. Once it's done, add the chopped onion and saute till it becomes golden brown in color. It gets caramelized. The reason behind finely chopping the onion is that it won't be visible in the spinach gravy. To make the process faster, add just a pinch of salt. I have also shown this in earlier video. Keep stirring continuously so as to onion should get cooked evenly. Now the onions are done. I'll add the dry spices. I'll again saute for around 30 seconds. Add the tomatoes. And cook till the tomatoes the paste starts to leave oil from the side. Now with the spinach, I will also grind the green chilies. Now the paste is done. You can see that it has started to leave oil from the side. So I'll now add the spinach paste. The consistency of spinach is preferably should be paste. It looks good. It looks presentable. And now I'll mix this well. Simmer for 2 minutes and then add the bite-sized pieces of cottage cheese, the paneer, and mix it well. Add salt to taste. Now finely crush the fenugreek leaves and just add it in the gravy, the spinach gravy, and mix it well. This will give a nice aroma and flavor. Palak paneer is done. It is ready to serve with rice or rotis or parathas or naans. It tastes awesome. This is one dish which is loved by all, any age group. Everyone likes this dish. if you have liked this recipe, click on like and share and subscribe for more delicious recipes and delicacies on the plate. I invite you all to share your unique recipes with me and make it popular through this channel.